Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today's recipe is beans and fried plantains. So please come with me to the kitchen and let's start cooking. So now I have my black eye beans. You can use black beans or red beans, but I'm using black eye beans because that is what I am used to. So make sure that you separate the bad ones from the good ones and make sure it's all cleaned up, and then we are going to soak it in the water. So like I said earlier, please fill a bowl with a lot of water and then just wash your beans and then you can soak it in there. I know beans have a lot of gas in it, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of those gas, because we all love beans. We want to eat beans and enjoy it without worrying about passing gas, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I will show you. So just soak it in the water. So after that, I'm gonna fill my pot with lots of water, and this is what I'm going to use to boil my beans. So just turn your stove on into a medium heat and cover it to boil. So while our water is boiling, I'm gonna cut in half onion and I'm gonna cut it into pieces. So this is what we're going to use to blend in and then use it to fry with the stew. So make sure your blender is very sharp. So I'm gonna add in 4 habaneros as well. But if you don't like blender, you can do it in a sanka way also. So I'm gonna remove all the seeds and then add it with the onion. Yes, I don't want to throw it out just for it to be waste. So next, my water is boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add in all my beans. Yeah, it is nicely washed. And so how to get rid of the beans, make sure you add in carrots. Yes, so add in 3 pieces of carrots and 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda. This is what I am using in to cook my beans. That way it cooks the beans really fast and it gives us like a little darkish look, as if you are using it for like GARI and beans, you know. But I like it this way. Yeah, when I use it, it is very nice and I like the taste of it as well. So back to our blender, we're going to blend in all our onion and we're gonna set it aside after it is done. And I'm just gonna cut in my tomato. So after I cut my tomato, my beans is still on the stove. Yeah, so we are going to check and see how it's doing so far. So the look of the beans is doing amazingly and it's boiling really good. So that's how I want it, and of course it's going to cook really fast. So today we are going to enjoy our beans with fried plantain. So don't worry about the outside. Look what is in the inside, because the inside always tells you what it's supposed to be. So I'm going to put in my ripe plantain. I bought this plantain for like a week or 2 ago and I haven't touched it yet. So this is the perfect time for me to use it. So you can cut it any size that you want. By me, I want it to be a little bigger pieces, but if you want it small pieces, you can just go ahead and do it. And add in just a pinch of salt, for a flavor, and then leave it aside. Our beans is done, so this is the time to remove the carrots. And trust me, please don't eat this carrot. Just remove it and throw it away, because the job that you were supposed to done, it is done. Okay, so just throw it away, and trust me, your beans will taste good with no gassy issues. So back to our stew. We have our pan. I'm adding in my oil. You can use even palm oil when it comes to this stew. And then I cut in half medium onion. So this is what I'm going to let it fry for about a minute or until it is brown. And after it is brown, go ahead and add in your blended onion and pepper. Okay, and then stir a little bit and leave it on the stove to cook for about 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, you can then stir it a little bit and then go ahead and add in your cut tomatoes or your diced tomatoes. Yeah, and leave it on to cook for another 7 minutes. Yeah. So it is smelling really amazing. It is smelling beautiful, and you can tell by the look of it that this stew is going to taste better than CASSAVA. So I'm gonna add in some seasoning. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of salt just to taste, and then give it a very stir and then cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to add in my corned beef. So make sure it's what it's for I just open, the bottom and up, so that way it's easy to, just pull in straight into the stew. So just give it a good stir, and then let's go and check our beans. So I'm going to smash these beans a little bit, because that way so after that, I smashed my beans for a little. I'm just gonna add in my Geisha, or your fish with tomato sauce. This way it is very tasty. It gives this stew a very beautiful, fantastic taste that you will never ever gonna forget in your life. Trust me. So give it a stir and then leave it on, and then you can just add in your beans after 7 minutes. My beans is ready and the sauce is also ready, so I'm just gonna add in and give it a very good stir. But before then, I'm just going to check my fried plantain, because it's already on the stove, and yeah, it's doing wonderful. So leave this stew to cook for 7 minutes to 10 minutes and it will be ready. So back to our plantain. It is almost done and it's looking really yummy, very soft, and that is the perfect consistency that I want. So just leave it on until it is done. So back to our beans. It is ready and I'm going to serve it. So this is how I make my Ghanaian authentic bean stew with fried plantain. You can eat with rice, yam, any side at all. It will go really amazingly. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when I upload the video, you will be the first person to get it. And thank you so much for your time, and I really appreciate you. Until I see you right here on my channel, stay safe and have a good day. Enjoy.